Bro. Oh my god, it's cold. No. I don't even know how. I'm in my driveway right now. That's also the driveway, but oh my god. Okay, now I'm in the road. Ah, frick is stuck. My dad got stuck. His 4-wheel drive didn't work. Tractor. Camber's mad. She wants to go for a ride. Oh my goodness. My dad's 4-wheel drive wouldn't work. Yeah, this is how deep the snow is. Alright, what do you think, baby? Let's see what we can do, Bubby. I don't think I'm going to work today, Tuna. I don't have any makeup on. I need a shower, but we did it. I've at least moved from where I was stuck. So, yeah, thank you, Jerry, and Dodge guy. I don't know your name yet. It took the whole community, but we did it. So. We're switching wheels because we're going to a meet tomorrow, and I guess we just kind of felt like it. So, yep. Oh boy. My truck is dead because I haven't driven it in like a long time, that stupid fuse thing, so. Okay. There you go. Thank you. Are you ready to go with your new wheels? Yeah. Camber's coming. She looks gorgeous. Behind you. Super.
The next morning, she was found dead on the side of the I'll run you with my 13.
I should have got a video of that. That ditch right there, I was just going for it and I was like, oh shit, so.
I got a little stuck in my transit.
Look how pretty. Okay. Yeah. So I might sell my truck, which if you follow me on Instagram or whatever, you probably know, but either tonight or tomorrow. So I'm just gonna get rid of all this nonsense. Why? I'm keeping this one because this is what came with the truck. Bitch! Well. Huh?
You acting this one?
No.
Oh yeah, your truck definitely needs a wash.
Whoopsies. Savannah always says that when I clean my truck that I'm doing it wrong, so she's gonna wash the wheels and then I'm gonna film her. I'm not allowed to intrude. She's scared of the cooler.
Do it like this or like sideways?
I don't care. Bad.